ReliThick Annotation Tabs 16,000 PCs offers an enormous assortment of transparent sticky markers in a wide range of colors, so it is easy to color code chapters, projects, or subjects without running out. The sets are thoughtfully grouped by color, which makes it simple to keep a consistent scheme across multiple books, notebooks, and folders when you are juggling many topics at once. Each tab is made from smooth PET film that takes pen or pencil cleanly while staying translucent enough that printed text remains visible underneath. The adhesive holds firmly to paper yet can be peeled up and repositioned without shredding pages or leaving gummy residue, which is especially reassuring for textbooks and library books. Because the tabs are slim, uniform, and brightly tinted, they make it much faster to flip to key sections, cross-reference ideas, and build a reliable visual map of your reading. With so many colors and pieces in one package, this set works equally well for students, teachers, office workers, and avid readers who want long-lasting annotation supplies or a practical bookish gift.